In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a United Airlines gift card. First, a quick note so you know what to expect. United Airlines doesn't sell traditional standalone gift cards directly on its own checkout, but they make it simple to purchase one through authorized third-party travel platforms. We'll start on United's official website so you're sure you're using a trusted link, and then follow the prompts to complete the purchase. Begin by opening the official United Airlines website in your browser. Once you're there, look for gift cards in the site's main menu, search bar, or down in the footer. The wording may vary. Sometimes it appears as gift card or e-gift card, but it's the same destination. Click that section to move forward. On the gift card page, you'll see options that lead to an authorized seller. This is normal. Confirm you're still following a link provided by United and proceed to the purchase screen. Now choose the amount you want to load onto the card. Typical options range from $25 to $500. Pick an amount that matches your budget or the trip you have in mind. You can always start small if you're unsure what the traveler will need. Next, select how you want the gift card delivered. Email delivery is the fastest and most convenient option, often arriving within minutes after purchase. If you prefer something tangible, choose a physical card delivered by mail, keeping in mind shipping times and any potential delivery fees. Digital works well for last-minute gifts, while physical can be great if you want something to hand over in person. Enter the recipient's details. If you're buying it for yourself or you want to control when it's given, simply enter your own email address. Take a moment to type the email carefully. A single wrong character can delay delivery. If a personal message field is available, add a short note to make it feel special. Add your payment method, such as a credit or debit card. Make sure your billing information matches what your bank has on file to avoid hiccups at checkout. Before you finalize, review the total, verify the delivery method, and confirm the recipient details are correct. Click Buy or Check Out to complete the purchase. Wait for the confirmation page to load so you know it went through successfully. Finally, check the inbox for the email that contains the gift card code. It may include redemption instructions, so keep that message safe. If you chose a physical card, watch for the mail. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a United Airlines gift card through an authorized partner, starting from the official United site.